How to view private Instagram account without following. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure to know about this account and simply copy the link or else screenshot the account. After that, go to your profile by tapping on it in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three dashboard in the top right corner. Then scroll down till you find the option I need help. After you tap on the I need help or help option available there, tap on the report the problem. After you tap on it, simply tap on the report without shaking and again tap on the include and continue. Now here, describe in brief why do you want to get into that account and also upload the photo of the account you just took, the screenshot, and send it to the Instagram customer support and they will reach to you as soon as possible. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.